Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then choose Notifications and tap on More. Over here you need to click on Most Recent and select All. Now tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Chrome. As you can see, all notifications from this Chrome browser are now off. If you want to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!